Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I've had lots of requests, not too much busy Christmas Astar. And so I got to thinking about it. What could I do that could be a good base for other displays throughout the year? This, I think, has got to be my favourite. This is an oversized brandy vase or balloon vase. I have had it for years. It sits in the back shelf and I hardly ever use it. Inside here, I have a glass vase. Can you see that? This was a terrarium. It was a terrarium, and I broke the base and I was going to throw it out. And then I thought, I wonder what it would look like glass inside glass, and maybe I could float water lilies in there. Well then, as life is for me in my botanical adventures throughout the world, I thought, oh, I know what would be beautiful. Let's fill the cavity between the brandy balloon and the inverted vase that I've got in the inside. Let's surround that with some moss like so. And then let's just look at it as an art piece in which to display all year round things like a maidenhair fern. And several of these on running down a sideboard look very cool and groovy. And the thing is that with the glass inside, the water doesn't get to seep all along the bottom, because a maidenhair fern, you've got to remember this, maidenhair fern usually lives at the bottom of a forest or a tropical forest or rainforest, and it's sheltered from the light and it's kept warm from everything else that lives at the bottom of the floor of the forest. Now, I absolutely love this, and I think that you could do anything. You could put a chrysanthemum there, you could put little potted bulbs and have the little bulbs, the hyacinths all coming up through there. You could have your daffodils, you could do whatever you wanted in that little base. And then when they go off, you've still got, let me take this out, a really lovely, interesting base in which to do other things throughout the year. So this is what I'm going to do for one of the displays at my place this year. I have some glass baubles. I'm just going to put the glass baubles down into the base here, just to lift that up and to just give, and I love light on light on light, and glass and glass and glass on light. It just gives, like, you don't even have to work hard for a beautiful design because the light just is all reflected through. Now I've also got some of these little sort of like disco light balls. I'm just going to put those down and into my container here so that it's just like a little mound of all these gorgeous little sparkly balls, which is actually going to give more light to your design. Now then I was thinking, what else can I put in here that's going to be lovely in Christmas? And in my box of tricks, I found these gorgeous little leaves. And a number of years ago, they started life white, and then I decided that they needed some little silver veins on them. So that's what I did. Now with these, what I want to do with these is to just drop those down the sides of my container to give a little bit more detailing. So it's like a little botanical wonderland, really. I love it. Now I've also got some little cones. I'm just going to bring those around the exterior like so. See how it's just all of a sudden it was like something else, and now without even blinking you've got this beautiful, hello, it's the holidays. It's going to be Christmas soon, or I just want something that's just going to give me a little bit of the seasonal joy, but without actually having to put too much effort into it. And then when people come, if you're a little bit like me, and I do get a bit sick of Christmas sometimes, it's just a lovely little thing. I've got one more ball, so I'm just going to put that into there. Now I've also got some of these little Christmas pixs. So what I'm going to do with those is I'm just going to put those around the exterior between the bowl. And of course you can do yours much nicer than I am because I'm just rushing here. But look at that, it's just, I'm filling up the center. So it's sort of like a Christmas terrarium. That's what I want, a Christmas terrarium of just a little bit of Christmas, but not too much Christmas. And then after Christmas, you can take the bits that you don't want out. Right, I want you to go down there. And it doesn't have to be even and neat either. But look at that. I've got this simple, beautiful, elegant Christmas display without having to put too much effort into it. And now, if you wanted some lights in there, these little lights are just gorgeous, and they can just sit down there in amongst, look at that, light, candles and light at the table. I'll put that into there, and then this little one can just go down and into there. Not too much Christmas, but just enough, a little encapsulated moment that says, hello, it's the holidays and we're celebrating. And then if you wanted to go a little bit further, I've also got these little gold baubles that I did last year. I think they were my plum puddings. But if you wanted to bring in a little bit more, you could just pile these in to the top of your display. I love it. I hope you've enjoyed this. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas from me to you, and I hope I've helped solve some of your design issues. See you again another day.